Hi everyone, welcome to Daryl Rips Cards. Today we're opening a pack of Banger Sports cards. If you like their product, go to their website, put in code word Daryl, and get 10% off. But actually, we're not just ripping one, we're not ripping two. We're opening 4 packs today. Let's see what we can get. I got a Mel Clark 55 the other day on my first show ever. Watched a friend of mine, Rob, pull a 52 Bowman, and Rob opens wax the other day. So I'm hoping for maybe a 52. It was in pretty good shape. Or maybe somehow Mickey Mantle or Ernie Banks, somebody. See who we have today. Don Cooper, Greg Booker, Justin Turner, Rod Scurry. Ooh, Tim McCarver. Anyone who knows me knows I love the vintage. Tom Kelly, manager. Bill Robinson, 79 from the Pirates World Series. Tippy Martinez. Oh, this is a sweet card. Evan Longoria. Like that card. Matt Norris. George Brett. Rusty Coons. Ooh, Tony Gwynn. Oh, and Ryan Sandberg Opeachy. Rest in peace, Rhino. One of my favorite Cubbies ever. Love my Cubs. Let's see who we get in this pack. Elliot Maddox. Tony Phillips. Juan Gonzalez. Johnny Ray. Flair, I'm not sure what year that is. 84. Kind of like that design, though. Manny Machado. Tom Boucher. Jim Clancy. David Green. Dave Gallagher. Ooh, George Brett. Put Hall of Famer up. I'm going to always slaughter his name. Yoquan Andijura. I've always slaughtered that guy's name. Oh, Eddie Murray. Eddie Murray's one. I'm going to put him up right now. Captain Crunch. I like the unique cards like that. And Eddie Murray's actually one that I'm collecting as a player for my PC now. Well, I like this 1970 rookie stars. Fred Bean, Terry Crowley. I was wondering where all the... I know they've changed the format, and I was kind of wondering. I was like, where's all the old vintage cards? But there we got one. I'm going to put them up right now. And then Mike Schmidt. I remember one of the Bangers packs I opened. I know you can get packs now and then that have all one player. I actually have a bunch of Mike Schmidt right now. Next pack, let's see. The Bangers ball. You got Bud Harrelson. Warren Newsom. Like I said, I've been out of the hobby. I was out of the hobby for over 2 decades, but I have to admit, for me, I kind of like these cards. I like the design on them. Jordan Zimmerman. Frank Williams. Who's hiding behind Frank? Marcelo Zuno, I believe is how you say that. Ron Robinson. Mike Anderson. 78. Love that card. Rich Dotson. Oral Hershiser. A playoff victory for Ryan. I think that's my granddaughter Kamaya in the back as I'm recording. But Nolan Ryan, I believe that's how the Nolan Ryan said it. Daryl Strawberry. Bill Travers. Barry Larkin. Jerry Johnson. That's a 72. And Wade Boggs. Let's see who we get in the last pack. Rick Wise. Eddie Milner. Tim Wallach. Charles Hudson. record breakers, Benny Santiago. He's actually one I've been collecting too for my PC as a player. Scott Garrelets. Oh, Dallas Green. Like I said, bear with me. I'm learning the years on these, getting back into the hobby. But 61, that is a nice card for my collection. Jerry Hairston. Hal McRae. Someone's hiding behind a Hal. Joel Youngblood. That's what I like about the bangers. I've actually gotten 3 of these Mother Cookies cards now, which I really love. Ron Guidry. Jason Thompson. Gary Carter. Dave Edwards. And we end with Derek Jeter. Me living in Kalamazoo. He's a hometown hero. Thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.